Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Today we are going to learn overloading in Kotlin. So let us start. First of all, we have to create a class called sum. In this class, I'm going to create a two function add. So it's having a num1 integer type, num2 also integer type, and this function going to return sum of num1 and num2. Okay, because this is going to return a value, that's why we have to put a return type also of integer in a function. In Kotlin we have return type at the last after colon. So now we are creating another function add num1 integer type, then num2 again integer type, then num3 again integer type. Here we have return type also integer. Then we are creating a function, then return sum of num1 plus num2 plus num3. So we are having a two method here. Now we are creating a main method. Within a main method we are creating an object of sum class. Okay, and we are passing the two parameter in add function, and we are passing three parameter in another add function. See, and because it's returning a value, so we have to put under println. So the sum of two number is equal to then okay, again println the sum of three number is equal to okay. Now just see the output. You see this, the sum of, I forget to write the sum of two number. Now you see the sum of two number is 90 and sum of three number is 113. So this is the way to implement overloading concepts in Kotlin. It's a very simple program, you can understand very well. So this is the way. See you again in next lecture. Bye.